2,
Hold it here, side angle
1.
and stretch. Long and tall and pulled in. Strong, take it back to the reverse. All the way up. 4 count. And 3. Wiggle those arms down to the left. Come back to the center. Big inhale in. Beautiful. Turn the right toes out. And again, retake it.
1,
Just 4,
2,
3, 2. Hold it here, side angle and stretch.
stretch
Belly
Atlas.
invigorated. Take it to the right. All the way up. Bend those arms to the right. Bring that body center. Power breath here. Halfway down with those arms and go. It's
1,
pulse.
2, 3, 4,
Hold it here, side
5.
angle and stretch. Good. So feel the flow. Feel the groove. You're looking great. Take it to that reverse.
Reverse.